Maybe it's been a few weeks since you set up your Google business profile. Or maybe you just finished setting it up 5 minutes ago and then you look at the name again and realized, wait, is my business name spelled wrong? Or maybe you want to tweak the name to sound more professional or get more search clicks. Whatever the reason, I've got you. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to change your business name on Google. Step by step, no fluff, and beginner friendly. You'll be done in under 2 minutes. I promise that. So, alright, first step. Open up your web browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that manages your business. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a square made of 9 little dots. Click that. This opens up all your Google apps. From the list, click on the one called Business. It has a blue icon that looks like a little shop. This shows you what your business looks like on Google. Next, click the Edit Profile button. It's usually right at the top. And you're almost done. Look for the line that says business name and click the little pencil icon next to it. This will open a box where you can type your new business name. Make your changes, then hit save. One important note. After you change your business name, Google may ask you to verify your business again. That could mean a postcard in the mail, a phone call, or another verification step, just like when you first set it up. And that's it.